Mr. Nyck, Mr. Nyck, he's our pick. It's Mr. Nyck. Yay!
Hey everybody, welcome to the Mr. Nyck Show, and I'm your host, Mr. Nyck. Today, we have a really cool one. It's kind of like science, and I'm excited for it because we are gonna make gummy worms come to life. How are we gonna do that? You'll see. It's gonna be really cool. Hey, but first, before we get started, let me introduce you to my co-host and my friend, Allie. Hey, Allie, how are you today?
Great. How are you?
I am really good. And guess what we're doing today? We're gonna make this gummy worm come to life. You want one?
Yeah.
But you can't eat it yet or else we won't have anything for the experiment. Silly Allie, really. All right, I can't lie. I want to eat one too, but maybe if I have any left over after, we can have some. All right, kids, here's what we're going to do. We're gonna take a bunch of gummy worms, okay? And what's cool about the science things that we do, you can do them at home too. If you have an adult to help, of course. Especially for this part because we have to take a gummy worm and we have to cut it in half lengthwise to make it really skinny. So it'll look like this. A gummy worm. This was a gummy worm, right? I already went through and I cut it in half. So now it's really skinny. That's important for this, all right? I know I said we're gonna make it come to life. Why would I cut one in half? You'll see. All right. The second thing we need to do is I need to take a glass and a cup of water. Okay, Allie, I hope I don't spill it.
Be careful.
Here we go. All right. Perfect, I didn't mess it up. Cool.
So we just put it in water?
No, actually, we need 2 spoonfuls of baking soda. I don't really know what baking soda is, but it's used for a lot of things, I guess. I don't know. But if your parents or adults or whoever at home has some baking soda, you can do this at home. All right, so we're gonna do 2 spoonfuls. Let's count them. 1. What comes next, Allie?
2.
Yeah, 2. Let's mix it up. Okay.
It looks white.
I know. Kind of looks like milk, but I would not drink that. So now, if you have already gone through, you're gonna have to find a bunch of gummy worms and have your grown-ups at home cut them lengthwise to make them skinny. Cut them lengthwise and have your grown-ups do this to make them skinny. Yep. This is like a worm. I'm fishing for alligators. Look, it's like a worm on it's my bait. Oh, I caught one. I got an alligator. Okay.
It was pretty yummy.
We need these, Allie.
Sorry.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Take our gummy worms after we've cut them, and we're going to put them into the water with the baking soda. Boop, boop. I have a whole plate here full of them. These things are sticky. Ugh. Jeez. And one more. Come on. He does not want to go in there, does he? He's a sticky guy. I'm just going to stir it up a little bit more. Okay. Now here's what we do. We let that sit in there for 15 minutes. I know that sounds like a really long time, but you can do it. 15 minutes. Let's let these guys sit in here for 15 minutes. Okay, so while my worms are sitting in the water and baking soda combo, I'm going to get a good sized jar and some vinegar. Now I'm supposed to pour the vinegar into the jar. Vinegar, have you ever used vinegar before for anything, Allie?
I remember, I don't think it smells too good.
Oh. No, it doesn't.
I think I use it for when I make Easter eggs.
That sounds about right.
Because it
Yeah.
always smells funny.
Funny?
Bad.
Bad. Anyways, plug your nose and get the vinegar. And we're gonna pour the vinegar into this jar. You could fill the jar up if you want. This is a big jar, so I'm probably gonna pour maybe half. This is a big bottle. Let's just see how much. I don't have an exact measurement. Okay. I could pour the rest in, but I actually think I want to save some vinegar in case I want to try it again or do some other science experiments. So I'm going to save some of that. We have the vinegar in a jar. Now let's talk about the gummy worms. What is it about the gummy worms you think is gonna, I mean, look, they're sitting in my water right here. I see lots of bubbles forming around the gummy worms. I think the baking soda is doing something crazy to the gummy worms. What's up with these bubbles, Allie? Any idea?
I don't really know. I just know that gummy worms taste delicious.
That's true. That's true. I agree. And I'm really curious to see what's up with the bubbles and what's going to happen when I put them into the vinegar. All right, so watching this at home, it has not been 15 minutes yet for you, but it has been 15 minutes for me. It's actually been a little bit longer, and a lot of bubbles are on these worms. So let's see what happens. I don't want to just pour all this in here. I'm going to use a fork. Oh my, just poking them and the bubbles are starting to rise to, I don't know what's gonna happen here, but I hear that I can make gummy worms come to life, so let's find out what's gonna happen when I put them in the vinegar. Oh, I see the bubbles rising off the gummy worms.
Oh, I see one moving.
Are they moving?
I see a tail moving.
It's so hard.
Geez.
Oh, geez. So hard to get these out.
Oh, I see a green one. He's starting to move up. Oh, they're shaking.
Oh, they are.
Oh, Mr. Nyck, do you see that blue one in the front?
Oh, I see them.
Oh, geez. They're moving.
Oh my, he's coming to life. Let's put some more in and see. Oh, oop. Oh, geez. Vinegar splashing everywhere.
Oh, wow. Mr. Nyck, look at this blue one.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, and there's like a red and white one in the back. Oh, I see them shaking around in there.
Oh, yeah. They're starting to move. Look at this guy.
Whoa. Whoa, another one just popped up. Another one.
Another one. See that one moving?
It looks like he's waving hi.
Hi. There's a red one back there too that's moving. See them moving?
Those are some wiggly worms.
That's right. Wow, they are starting to kind of wiggle and come to life, huh?
I think they're slimy, like real worms.
Oh, should I touch one?
Ew.
Should I touch one, kids? Oh, no, hold on. Oh, I'm gonna put my hand in that stinky vinegar. Maybe I should get my fork. Darn it, I already touched that vinegar. Oh, look at these guys moving around. It's hard to get. Okay, here we go.
Is it slimy?
Oh, super slimy. I don't even honestly, I couldn't even hold them. They just fell apart. Too slimy to hold.
And wiggly?
Super wiggly. See them moving?
Ew. They look like wiggly, slimy worms.
Wow, it was a pretty cool experiment here, making the worms. I wasn't sure if they were going to shoot all over the place or what they would do, but they're definitely moving.
They're definitely wiggly, squirmy little worms.
And super slimy, I can tell you that, because I tried holding one. Didn't work very well. All right, kids. Well, we did make the worms come to life. That vinegar, the baking soda. Pretty impressive. I wasn't too sure what was going to happen. I just knew that I could make them get a little boogie in them. And Allie, guess what?
What?
I saved a worm for you.
Oh, Mr. Nyck.
Whoa, watch the fingers, girls. All right. That was pretty fun today, kids. And guess what? It's time for the joke of the day. Okay, are you ready, Allie?
Yes.
Here we go. What reads and lives in an apple?
What?
A bookworm. All right, guys. Hope you like our episode for the day. We had a great time. Catch us next time. Subscribe, like the episodes. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Mr. Nyck, he's our pig. It's Mr. Nyck, yay!